Hello and welcome to the TPP Learning Academy. In this short video, I'll show you how patients can access a notification based around 111 information, specifically COVID-19 coronavirus data. So here on the patient app, I can select my index, I can then select notifications, and here we can see information regarding coronavirus available on nhs.uk. I hit the link, that then takes me to the relevant website. So also accessible on the notifications page regarding the coronavirus is the ability to use the 111 service to access to see if we need any medical help. So I'm going to go ahead and click this link. That will then take me through to the 111 online page where I can go ahead and read the information, and I can start a kind of triage service almost to see what kind of symptoms I have and basically get my questions answered. Thank you for watching this short video. Please follow us by clicking the link below.